Look where I've brought you. I've brought you up here to this absolutely beautiful bluebell wood. Look at it. It's absolutely stunning. Let's go for a walk. I've got a wireless setup today. If you can see that down there. I've got wireless transmitter. I'll be doing a review on this one. Look at it. It's bloody absolutely beautiful. Ellie! Over here. Come on, this way. Ellie's deciding to jump all over the bluebells and squash them all. Stay on the path. It's just like a sea of blue. Honest to God, it's beautiful. I don't know if the camera's really picking all this up. I'm hoping I've still got. I don't know how far this wireless setup actually works. So we'll just give it a go. Yes, I hope you guys had a good week last week, and huge apologies for not putting up more vlogs last week. I did actually go away as well. I went over to St David's, which is over in Wales. I can't get over how nice this is. It is so beautiful. It is just completely picturesque. It really is. Let me take a photograph a minute. Let me take a photo with my phone, if it's going to work. Oh, this is nature's beauty at its best. Definitely. We still got a red light. That's all right then. I've no idea when this microphone's going to go off. This is a first tryout of it, so hopefully I can still see the red light on the receiver, which is on the top of the camera. So this is going to be a bit of a test. So bear with me, alright? That's if you can still see me. You should be able to. Oh my God, this is lovely. This is good for your soul, this is. There's a bloke over there. Oh, typical, innit? What did I say? I came up here on purpose to get away from people. And they're all ready. Come on, I'll have to go back. So that's it, already, it's finished already. Nice, isn't it? So it might be ending up in somebody else's video. Right, hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Cheers for now. Yeah, bloody bloke dressed up in camo gear hiding in the woods in there. I saw the bloody car. I thought, I don't want anybody in my video because I want to do a vlog for you guys. And anyway, I spotted him just now. I could see him filming in there. So I thought, I've been up here about 8 times now trying to do a video for you guys, so I do apologise that the video was a bit ending a little bit abruptly, but that was due to more people again. So anyway, never mind. Right, hope you enjoyed the little bit of footage that I did manage to get, and keep your eye out on YouTube because I expect there'll be a video of me walking through a bluebell wood somewhere. So love you, guys. Have a great rest of the day, and